So Sheetal auntie is ready or not?
Yes, I am ready. So how many of them have joined in actually?
So currently we are 7 of us.
2 of us are included in 7, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So
So
shall
I
we?
just 2 minutes. I think somebody just logged out also.
Okay.
So I'm recording this and we'll post it on YouTube also.
No, not on YouTube, Kavita, because it is very informal. I have not prepared that much. Yeah.
नहीं अपने
अपने
खाली
ग्रुप
बच्चों
में
का
डाल दो ना.
हाँ,
हाँ हाँ बस
ठीक
बस.
है.
अपने नेचर क्लब में या फिर पूरा वाई कैफे में डालना है तो
पूरे वाई कैफे के ग्रुप में ही डाल देंगे.
हाँ, तो जिसको भी देखना है वो लोग
ठीक
देख
है.
सकते हैं. या
So let's start, Sheetal.
या So hello everyone. How are you? So Diwali hangover is over right now. Yes or no? Okay.
अभी तो एग्जाम हैंगओवर ओवर.
Yeah, exam hangover actually हम लोगों के बच्चे, अब मेरे बच्चे एक्चुअली बड़े हो गए ना, तो वो एग्जाम हैंगओवर वाला सीन मतलब दिमाग में ही नहीं आता है. Right. So I think only 5 participants are there. It's okay. So all of you must know about microgreens, right? So I don't have to make you understand what microgreens are. Agree? Please give me a thumbs up.
शीतल, I will still suggest कि बता दे कि क्या होता है.
Okay.
हाँ.
Okay. So microgreens are the miniature counterpart of larger variety of vegetables. जैसे हम लोग pulses के ये खाते हैं, sprouts खाते हैं, उसी तरह से हम लोग जब उसी sprouts को थोड़े दिन और रखते हैं, when we keep that sprouts for 2, 3 or at least 7 days more, तो उसमें से कुछ greens grow होना start होता है. When that green grows and it is not converted into the full matured plant, वो जो बीच वाला stage है, that is microgreen part of the plant. And it is very nutritious. It is one of the superfoods nowadays, because we have to keep our immunity like to a higher level nowadays because of this current situation. And these superfoods are helping us in keeping our health in very good shape. So we need to eat this type of superfoods in our daily diet. So these are the microgreens. I have read 1 and 2 with me. This is mustard microgreen and this is methi microgreen.
Wow.
And this is actually the right stage to harvest. Today morning only I have posted pictures with the yellow leaves, right? And see the color of the leaves. It has turned into green. And I think 1 more day will go, and after that I will harvest it from here, and that will be the nutritious part of the microgreens. So we are going to learn today how to grow these microgreens at home with the kitchen spices and with the kitchen utensils. You don't have to go to buy anything from the market. Yeah. So these microgreens, this I have sown in coco peat only. कविता, earlier हम लोगों ने पहले देखा है ना soil में जो किया था. हाँ. Yeah. So I'm not showing the soil वाला because it is little tedious for them, the proportion.
Yes,
but the coco peat is the easiest medium, and I have tried especially for children. How to make it easier to grow microgreens for kids. So this is grown only in coco peat.
So coco peat का sheet आता है क्या शीतल?
नहीं, coco peat जैसे brick आता है ना.
हाँ, वही brick.
Yeah, जो brick आता है उसको ही हम लोगों ने we just have to dip that brick into the water. Yeah, it will double or triple the size, and after that we have
इसमें डाल दिया आपने
this type of coco peat. And actually I have sieved it because see, I'm trying to give the smallest of seeds like chia seeds and flax seeds. So वो तो अगर बहुत ज्यादा ये अच्छा नहीं है तो वो वहीं पे खो जाएगा, पता भी नहीं चलेगा. So it's better कि जब हम लोग इसको ले लेते हैं, कोको पीट को अच्छे से ड्राई कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद just sieve it, छान लो. हाँ, बड़े वाले छन्नी से छान लो. So this fine coco peat I have with me. So you can see
हाँ, ये तो एकदम पाउडर की तरह हो
एकदम
गया।
पाउडर की तरह हो गया. इट्स वेरी नाइस in texture and it's very easy to use. Okay, so now we are going to start. So first you have to take 2 containers, one with the hole. See, you can see the holes. If you have,
Yeah,
can you see the holes?
Yes.
Yeah. So if you have a container with hole like fruits or इसके सब आते हैं ना, if you want to use it, you can use it. And if you don't have the holes, you just have to just कोई भी sharpen चीज लेके उसको गम करके just to make the holes. It's very easily doable thing. It is not very tedious.
Correct.
Right. So and under that you have to use one different box, so that whenever you give water or whenever the cocopeat, if it is coming out of the box, it will not mess the place where you are keeping your boxes, right?
Correct.
So we need 2 boxes first. Okay. So we are making, oh, just a moment. थोड़ा नीचे कर देते हैं. Yeah. Can you see it now?
हाँ, अब दिख रहा है.
Yeah. So just we are making a nice layer of cocopeat. So इसमें कोई टेंशन नहीं है. There is no worries about proportion, कितना soil, कितना compost, कितना
कुछ
cocopeat.
नहीं,
It's
बस
very easy to use for kids and it's easily available online. अगर आपके पास घर में नहीं है, you can order online. You just इसको 3/4 हमको cover करना है. The box that you are taking, you have to cover it
3/4
level. Yes, and you just have to make it a
flat bed.
Flat, yeah. Just tap it with the soft tapping. Yeah. Okay. So it's ready. And after that, you just have to. Can you see it, Kavita?
हाँ, शीतल दिख रहा है. Yes.
Okay. And every time whenever you are watering your microgreens, you have to use this type of sprayer. If you are having sprayer, especially वो पानी के लिए जो आते हैं, otherwise you can reuse the Colin one or Shine one. Yeah. Just wash it thoroughly and use it. So you have to wet this cocopeat thoroughly. बहुत अच्छे से इसको हमको moist करना है. नीचे तक थोड़ा पानी जाना चाहिए, उतना moist ये होना चाहिए.
Okay.
But equally.
हाँ.
Not कि आपने डब्बा भर के या मग भर के पानी डाल दिया, ऐसे नहीं. You just have to do it equally. Okay. So it's quite, yeah. And I am using chia seeds. See, for chia seeds, these are flax seeds. For these seeds, you don't have to soak them. Okay. It is the soaking was not needed.
Not needed.
But for mustard and for methi, I have soaked them for 3-4 hours. Because larger the seeds, the time of germination will be more. Right. Correct. So these are very small seeds. So you don't need to soak these seeds. You can directly sprinkle the seeds. Yes.
और अच्छा quantity में ना.
हाँ, अच्छा quantity में. You have to sprinkle the seeds in the dense में डालना है. Not overlapping. Seeds overlapping नहीं होना चाहिए. But they should be
भरे हुए होने चाहिए.
हाँ, एकदम. तभी ये ऐसा आएगा. तभी you will get this result.
Yeah.
Otherwise you will get the scattered result. Yeah. So I think it's fine. Okay. And after that again you just moist the seeds. Now we have to moist the seeds. Okay, just a little bit of it. And after that you have to cover it with a box. Any box or if you have if you have lid of this box, you can use, or otherwise any other dabba.
Okay.
Or if you don't have anything, you can use the newspaper like this. Yeah, but you have to cover it. Because there is little biology behind it, that if the seeds will not get light to germinate, yeah, so they will come up, they will grow very faster. Yeah,
शीतल,
So,
इसमें ऊपर से अपने को थोड़ा भी कोकोपीट या कुछ नहीं डालना
नहीं
है
नहीं
क्या?
कुछ नहीं डालना है, बिकॉज ये मैंने ये जो एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है ना कोकोपीट
हाँ,
के साथ में, उसमें ये देखा है कि ऊपर से अगर कुछ नहीं डालो
तो
और इसके
अच्छे
ऊपर
से।
अच्छे से कवर कर दो, एंड
हम्म,
इट्स बेटर कि अगर आप इसको कवर करते हैं ना, फिर उसके बाद अगर कोई दूसरा भी आप ले रहे हैं ना, तो थोड़ा सा उसके ऊपर
रख दो।
एक वजन रख दो,
ओके।
तो इतना जल्दी ये ग्रो होता है और पूरा एक जैसा ग्रो होता है। ये नहीं है कि कोई एक बार निकला है, कोई बार बाद में निकल रहा है, ऐसे
ओके।
नहीं हो रहा है।
ओके,
It's very easily coming out, every all the sprouts coming out all together.
ठीक है।
Yeah, so this is a one system of sowing microgreens, right?
वेरी नाइस।
So is it clear to everyone? Okay, okay,
Yes, auntie.
yeah. So दूसरा हम देखेंगे with the
टिश्यू पेपर।
tissue paper. Okay, again I am taking two boxes, one with the hole and one plain. The same logic that it will not mess your place, and we just have to 3-4 newspaper pile up. We have to do the, because we have to
हाँ,
keep,
थोड़ा थिक होना चाहिए।
yeah, newspaper moisture इसमें हमेशा होना चाहिए. We have to keep it moisture all time.
टिश्यू पेपर।
Tissue paper, yeah. Because moisture is the thing that is helping seeds to grow, right?
या
That you all of you are studying in your science biology.
हाँ,
Yeah. So I am taking okay, we will take flex seeds for this. Again the same thing, I have to wet it thoroughly. See, the water is down there. Okay, so itna humko karna hai isko. We have to, yeah. And again, we are taking now flex seeds. So all these seeds, all these spices, and all these pulses are easily available at home. Because see, these are purely edible, means there are no chemicals in this. So if you are buying the seeds from the market, you should be very much careful that it should not be scientifically coated. Any कुछ भी उसमें कोट किया हुआ नहीं है, कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है कि जो हम लोग डायरेक्टली इसको खाते हैं
खा
तो
नहीं
हमको कोई
सके।
भी प्रॉब्लम होगा उसके साथ. ठीक है, इसको भी हमने डेंस में
डाल दिया।
स्प्रिंकल कर दिया है, राइट. I think Kavita's son is named what?
कबीर।
Raghav.
Oh हाँ, that Kavita,
Raghav,
yes.
yeah,
हाँ,
Raghav.
हाँ,
Raghav has done this moong wala with the same procedure.
हाँ,
Yeah,
हाँ,
yeah,
correct.
Yeah. So again, see, we have done with it, and again we have to cover it. And see, the winters are coming, so now it is allowed to cover it with the lid. But in summers you can't, because it is very hot and humid outside and inside. But winters are raha hai, so you can use the lid. So if you are cover it with a nice lid, so you don't have to spray water every day. Okay. Because the moisture is keeping inside only. Right. Okay. So if you are having a nice lid, so you don't have to water it every day. Once in twice a week, or once in 2 days, you can give water to it. Okay. Yeah. So this is the one method.
और अगर ढक्कन नहीं है शीतल, तो again we can cover it with the newspaper.
Cover, you can cover it with the newspaper, or you have, or any other
any
container,
plate or anything. Yeah.
Anything. Okay. So this is the second system, and one easiest that I have shown it to the.
Oh, the water
wala, yeah. So this is a totally soilless method of growing microgreens. See, you have to take 2 containers. The first container, the upper one, it should have holes like this. So you have to take the netted basket only, because you can't make so much holes and in such a symmetrical design, right? Correct. So you have to take this type of netted basket, and under that you have to take one bigger basket in which we can keep some water. And the water should be like this only. Then when we will pick up the basket from the bigger one, it should touch the
water. Yeah,
the bottom part should touch the water. Only that much water we have to use. See, you can see. Yeah. Okay. So this is the system. and I am taking moong.
Hmm.
Okay, so I have soaked it overnight, and see, for some moongs, even the germination has even started.
Already started, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. See, can you see it?
Hmm.
Yeah. So we have to take this stage of moong. You just have to spread it.
Moong microgreens are very tasty also.
Very tasty, and it's very
Easy to grow.
easy to grow, and it's really very fast growing
हाँ,
microgreen. Yeah,
I think
you can
4-5
see.
दिन में
Yeah, you
अच्छे
can
से
see
निकल
the
जाता है.
results within 4 to 5 means if this Monday you are just sowing it, next Monday you can have it in
खा सकते हो.
in your
हाँ.
salads or soup or whatever you want to have, and you have to cover. Okay, and you have to cover it thoroughly. हाँ, इसको अच्छे से cover करना है. कोई भी एक lid है, कुछ नहीं है तो लास्ट में एक आप न्यूज़पेपर लेके भी just cover it.
कवर कर दो.
So the light should not get inside, और एक moisture उसके अंदर बना रहे, जिससे कि ये जो अंदर का germination का जो process है वो fast हो. So we have seen 3 methods.
Yes.
One with coco peat, one with tissue paper, and one with
only
water. Yeah, soilless. Okay, so we have grown 3 different type of microgreens today, and we will see the journey of these microgreens along with all of you. Yeah, yes. every day we will share that how your microgreens are growing, and what is the problem. If you are having any problem, you can discuss it with me in the group, so that we can understand where we are going wrong in growing. Absolutely. Right.
So what I am doing is I will soak my moong today.
Yeah.
और कल मैं उगाती हूँ उसको माइक्रोग्रीन में डालकर.
Sure. And we will share the pictures.
Yes.
And the most important thing, इसको आपने you have done
covered
all
it.
the procedure with it. You have covered it, but you have to keep it in some shelf or a cupboard. Kitchen का कोई shelf है. If you have to keep it in the kitchen shelf for 3 days at least. And when you can see that some seeds have sprouted, they have just come out of their their substance, the coco peat or tissue or whatever, then only you can take them out of the shelf. Otherwise you have to keep them in the shelf only, in the dark area, any dark area. Okay. With the moisture of water and with the dark area, they will germinate, they will grow very fast. And when you see that the seeds have just germinated a little, you can take them out, but not in harsh sunlight. You just have to keep that in your dining table or your kitchen shelf or your kitchen window when the direct sunlight is not coming. Up till this stage. When this stage will come, you just have to, and you can see the magic of change of color.
Yes.
Yeah. When you will grow the microgreens on your own, that time you will see that how they are growing fast and how they change their colors from just a seed, from a seeds to a little light yellow color, then deep yellow color, and ultimately the green color. The photosynthesis have
so this can be a project for them.
Actually. Yeah, this can be a project. Yeah, the photosynthesis that they are learning in their science from I think from class 5-6. So this is the practical photosynthesis for them. Yeah, you can just experience how the photosynthesis is working in all our green plants.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So fantastic. Let's see everybody grow their own microgreen. आज या कल जो भी घर में है, मूंग है, मोठ है, लाल वाला चना है.
हाँ, कोई भी. You can sow lal chana, moong, moth. Even you can soak, but that will not be without
soil.
Lobia and rajma even. But the bigger the seeds, the
time ज़्यादा लगेगा.
Time ज़्यादा लगता है, and you need the strong base for that. You cannot grow them in water or
tissue paper.
Yeah, you need, if you have coco peat, you can even try that. Yeah. And in spices, you can take coriander, you can take methi, you can take mustard, and seeds, sunflower seeds you can take, flax seeds that we have taken, and what else, chia seeds we have taken. So all type of seeds you can take. Wow. And even wheat is very easily, it's very easily growing microgreen. It's even again
उसको
it's
तो
super
सैंड
feed.
में भी कर सकते हैं.
सैंड में भी कर सकते हैं, सॉइल में भी हो सकता है, कोकोपीट में होता है, पानी में होता है. You can, I think all of you know about the wheat grass, but wheat
हाँ,
grass
because वो
again
घर में उगाते हैं हम लोग.
घर में उगाते
नवरात्रि
हैं आप
पर.
लोग. हाँ हाँ, because in Marwadis you have that त्योहार के टाइम पे. Yeah, so it's very easy to grow wheat even. So let's see. I hope I'm clear. If you have any questions, any doubts, you can ask me.
कुछ पूछना है किसी को?
No, auntie.
Is it clear to everyone?
I have a doubt.
Yeah.
So the best results come in soil, and we do not get that much results in water, or the results are same in every type.
Results are same in every type. But if you are using soil, you can take harvest for at least 2 times. But in water, you cannot take harvest for more than 1 time, or at least more than 2 times, because there is no nutrition. And one more thing about the water, you have to keep changing the water every 3 days. Every 3 days, you just have to throw this water and put new water, tap water.
शीतल, टैप वाटर की फिल्टर वाटर?
नहीं, अभी टैप वाटर में भी हो रहा है कविता.
हो रहा है क्या?
या हो रहा है. नो
Okay.
इश्यूज अबाउट इट. हाँ हाँ, हो रहा है. फिल्टर में भी किया था, लेकिन लास्ट टाइम टैप में भी हुआ है.
ओके.
आई थिंक बहुत, अगर आपका हार्ड, इफ यू डोंट हैव दैट हार्ड वाटर ना,
हाँ, जैसे
But
सॉल्ट लेक साइड में थोड़ा हार्ड रहता है, तो आई
तो
थिंक
इट्स फाइन.
बेटर
तो
है
फिर
कि
हम लोग
फिल्टर
बेटर है कि वी टेक द फिल्टर वाटर.
Filtered.
या दैट्स फाइन.
आंटी, जो बास्केट वाला से वी आर डूइंग, उसमें नीचे वाला विल आल्सो बी नेटेड?
नो
No.
नो नो,
तो पानी निकल जाएगा.
हाँ,
पानी निकल
वही.
जाएगा ना. ना, ये ऐसा है. सी,
Okay.
it's a container actually. Actually,
हाँ.
these both these baskets are actually different. They are not in set, but I have just make it a set
हाँ.
like this, because it should be a little smaller size. The upper one is the little smaller size,
Smaller.
so that it can
Get inside.
get fit into the bigger one. So this is the thing. And you can even do it with, if you don't have that basket, you have that chalni, the sieve, soup ka chalni jo hota hai.
हाँ.
Yeah, even you can do this hydroponic microgreens with the chalni even. So there are various ways by which you can grow it. So let's see which way is suitable to you and
Yes.
gives result to you.
Absolutely. So let's see. Let's hope everybody uses it.
Yeah.
And कल से देखते हैं ग्रुप में कौन क्या उगा रहा है.
Yes. And Kavita, even we can make a just not a contest, but at least we can see the report card.
Yes, report card.
Report card. That those who are trying, how much they can achieve.
Absolutely.
Yeah, yeah. So today is 21st.
23rd.
23rd. So in next month, I think we first week of December, we can see the report card of microgreens.
Yes.
Because
absolutely.
all these microgreens can take not more than 10 days.
हाँ.
Yeah.
7 से 10 दिन.
This is the result of just 4 days. We just
हाँ.
talked and we finalized the
हाँ.
today's session, and I have just get into kitchen and just soak my methi and rai, and just within 4-5 hours I have just sown it and see the result.
शीतल, राई को भी प्री सोक करना पड़ता है क्या?
हाँ हाँ, क्योंकि because ना this is a big राई.
ओ, सरसों है.
हाँ, सरसों है, बड़ी वाली राई है. तो बड़ी वाली राई अगर लेते हैं तो उसको प्री सोक करने से जर्मिनेशन
अच्छा.
बहुत अच्छा होता है. एंड इफ यू आर टेकिंग दैट स्मॉल
छोटा
बनारसी,
वाला.
हाँ हाँ, देन इट्स ओके. देन इट्स ओके. या, एंड यू कैन यूज द रेडिश अमेरंथ, वो सब. लेकिन एक्चुअली यू हैव टू बाय इट फ्रॉम मार्केट.
हाँ, वो सीड्स.
बट it's सजेस्टेबल. आई वुड सजेस्ट दैट स्टार्ट विद द spices and pulses and seeds from your kitchen only, and with three different methods, whichever method is suitable to you, use that method. Okay.
So thank you so much, Sheetal.
My pleasure, Kavita.